Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
With photographic evidence attached to this memorandum to the chief officer, and we have also informed our advocates who are representing us in the High Court on this matter.
So you are going to file contempt petition?
If it is required, then we'll have to do that, because the municipality does not seem to be adhering to the status report which they have submitted to the High Court.
What have you stated in this memorandum to the municipality?
I will give this copy to you. You can go and see that. This is with regards to non-operational of baling machines. Glacier tanks are being overflowing. Non-compliance of the status report. This is a health hazard and environmental impact issue today.
Shredding machine are there?
Pardon?
Shredding machine?
Shredding machine hai kaha, but shredding machine is being not optimized, or there are no people working, because think what the rash gailo hati dongoris gailo hato zadancho tachupa osatale to think dongar galo hai. I will share you the footage. You can show it. It's not being working. चोपा असं जाल्यार मुंगे भाशी ते एक शेडिंग मशीन आहा, 4 देखो मशीन आहा जाल्यार बेगीन कामार जावपाना. This is the status as on now.